UiPath experts, today I come up with the one small video. There is a small baby crying. There is a cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. A baby. So this is a baby. This laptop is a baby. So this is a milk bottle. Okay. So now see this baby is drinking milk. So if I remove this milk bottle, that baby will cry. Oh, the baby is crying now. So if I put the milk bottle here, baby will stop crying. Okay, baby will stop crying. So if I remove the milk bottle, if you want to stop, you just give the milk bottle. That is a USB. So that is a small robot I built in UiPath technology, robotic process automation. So that is a nothing. There is a simple coding only. So if I remove this USB, so then the USB, the robot knows. So the USB is removed. So then it will play the audio, baby crying audio. So if I insert this one, so then robot knows it will pass the that baby crying video. That is a simple coding. So I will show you. So here is a coding. See, here is a coding. So UiPath. So I will share this whole UiPath coding. There is a simple coding. So it will. I will show you. Yeah, it's not visible properly. So I will share this code in the descriptions. Okay. So again, let's try. So now it is drinking the milk. So just remove the milk bottle. It will cry. Okay. So this is a baby crying. Okay. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe. So here in this video, in this camera, so I am unable to show individually this about this individual activity in this project. So I will share this code in the description link. Just go through it. So it's a very simple coding. The logic is this one. So it will just monitor the event removable disk. So and it will do the things actually. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe this my channel uipath.learner. So if you don't subscribe, please share this video. It's an interesting videos I will put in this channel. Okay, so please share to your UiPath learners and your friends and okay in the YouTube, Facebook. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for support.